Imagine being a droplet of water, beginning your journey in the heart of a tranquil forest. You're nestled in the tender embrace of a leaf, reflecting the world in miniature within your clear, calm surface. Your journey, like ours, is ever-changing, and it starts now. As the sun warms the forest, you begin to transform. You feel lighter, almost ethereal as you rise, becoming one with the air in a dance of evaporation. You're not just a droplet now, but a part of something much larger: the sky, the atmosphere, the very air that breathes life into the world. You float high above the lands, looking down at the world from a new perspective. You're free, unbound by the constraints of your previous form. But this change, much like the ones we face in life, isn't the end. It's merely a new chapter in your journey. The cooler air greets you, condensing you back into a liquid form. You're now a part of a cloud, a collective, yet still unique in your existence. And then you fall. As rain, you pour down onto the world, quenching the earth's thirst, giving life as you touch down. You flow down mountains, through valleys, rushing into rivers. Sometimes you're rapid and wild, cutting through rocks, shaping the landscape. Other times you're serene, meandering gently towards your final destination, the ocean. As you merge with the ocean, you become a part of a vast, powerful, and beautiful entity. The ocean's tides, its waves, its calm, and its storms, they're all you. This is your final transformation, from a single droplet to a mighty force. Each stage of your journey, each transformation is a testament to the beauty and purpose inherent in change. From a droplet to vapor, from rain to river, and finally, the ocean. Each state holds its unique beauty and purpose, much like the stages of our lives. As you transform like water, remember each state holds its unique beauty and purpose. Like water, our mind is ever-changing, flowing from one thought to another. Just as a stream gently courses through the Australian outback, our consciousness weaves its way through an array of thoughts, emotions, and sensations. At times, the stream of our mind may be as peaceful as a tranquil lake, reflecting the clear blue sky of our inner serenity. At other times, it may resemble the turbulent ocean waves, caught in the tempest of our worries and fears. So how do we navigate this ever-changing landscape of the mind? The answer is meditation. Meditation is not about stopping the flow of our thoughts and emotions, but about managing them. It's not about damming the river, but about learning to steer our boat smoothly, even amidst the stormiest of seas. When we meditate, we become the observers of our own minds. We watch the thoughts come and go, like leaves floating down a river. We observe our emotions rise and fall, like the tides of the ocean. We feel our sensations ebb and flow, like the gentle waves lapping at the shore. And in this observation, we find calm, we find peace, we find ourselves. Meditation also helps us to cultivate mindfulness, the quality of being present and fully engaged with whatever we're doing at the moment. It's like standing on the sandy beach, fully immersed in the experience of the gentle sea breeze, the rhythmic sound of the waves, the warmth of the sun on our skin. It's about living in the here and now, not lost in the past or anxious about the future. In essence, meditation is a journey of self-discovery and self-understanding. It's about understanding the nature of our mind, like a seasoned sailor understands the nature of the sea. It's about learning to navigate our thoughts and emotions with skill and ease, like a skilled captain navigates the ship through the sea. Meditation is the gentle art of observing and managing this flow, without getting swept away. It's about learning to ride the waves of our mind, not about trying to stop them. And in this gentle art of observation and management, we find our inner peace, our true self. Before we embark on our meditative journey, it's important to find a quiet and comfortable space. This could be a cozy corner in your room, a peaceful nook in your garden, or any place that brings you a sense of calm. The space you choose is your sanctuary, a haven where you can retreat into the tranquility of your mind. Next, adopt a comfortable posture. You could be seated or lying down. The key here is comfort, as it allows your body to relax, making it easier to focus your mind. Remember, this isn't about perfecting a yoga pose. It's about creating a state of physical ease to enhance your meditation. Finally, set an intention for your meditation. This could be as simple as seeking peace, clarity, or perhaps understanding. Your intention is like a compass, guiding you through the vast ocean of your consciousness. As you settle in, take a moment to connect with your breath, the life-giving rhythm of your existence. Scene script. Picture yourself as a droplet of water resting on a leaf in a serene forest. Let's start this journey by simply becoming aware of our breath. Feel the flow of the breath as it enters through your nose, filling your lungs, and then gently leaving your body. Pause. Pay attention to each inhale and exhale, to the rhythm of your breath. Imagine your breath as a gentle breeze, brushing against the droplet of water, making it quiver slightly. You are this droplet, experiencing the subtle touch of the wind. Now shift your focus to your body. Feel the weight of your body against the chair or the floor. Sense the contact of your feet on the ground. Just like the droplet of water, you are here, grounded, present in this moment. Imagine the leaf underneath the droplet, providing a solid foundation, just like the ground beneath you. Feel the texture of the leaf, its veins like a roadmap guiding the droplet. Each vein represents a pathway in your body, your nerves, your blood vessels, carrying energy and life throughout being. As you continue to breathe deeply, feel the energy circulating within you. Each breath you take is like a gentle gust of wind, nudging the droplet, causing ripples to form. Notice these ripples, these sensations in your body. It may be a tingling in your hands, a warmth in your chest, or the soft beating of your heart. Don't judge or try to change these sensations. Just observe them as the droplet observes, the ripples it creates. Now imagine the sunlight filtering through the leaves of the forest, casting dappled shadows on the leaf. Feel the warmth of the sun on the droplet. This is the warmth you feel in your body, the warmth of your life force, your energy. Visualize this warmth spreading from the top of your head all the way down to your toes. Each ray of sunlight is a reminder of the positive energy that surrounds us and the light that we carry within us. Picture this light as a warm golden glow enveloping the droplet, making it sparkle. You too are wrapped in this golden glow, radiating positivity, peace. As you continue to breathe, visualize the droplet beginning to evaporate. The warmth of the sun, the gentle caress of the wind all contribute to transforming the droplet into a wisp of vapor. This is a moment of transformation, of change. Like the droplet, we too are constantly transforming, with each breath, each heartbeat, each moment. But remember, this transformation is not about becoming something else. It's about recognizing what you already are. You are like this droplet of water, fluid, resilient, capable of transformation. You carry within you the essence of life, the ability to adapt, to overcome, to grow. As we near the end of this part of our journey, keep breathing deeply. Feel the air entering your lungs, filling them with life, and then leaving, carrying away any stress or tension. Feel the warmth of the sun, gently coaxing you into a misty vapor, lifting you into the sky. You are now ready to continue your journey, ready to embrace the transformations that lie ahead. Remember, just like the droplet of water, you are a part of this vast, interconnected universe. You are here, you are present, and you are ready to flow with the rhythm of life. As you ascend into the sky, embrace the freedom of being a cloud, unbound and serene. Pause. Now imagine yourself as a tiny droplet of water, once a part of the vast ocean, and now you are ascending into the sky. Pause. You're a cloud now, floating freely in the expansive blue canvas above. Pause. As a cloud, you're in a unique position. You can observe everything below yet not be a part of it. Pause for a moment. You're not attached. You're not involved. You're simply observing silently. This is how we will approach the second part of our meditation. Pause. We will become like the cloud, observing our thoughts and emotions without judgment, without attachment. Now imagine your thoughts as landscapes passing beneath you. Some are vast plains, simple and serene. Others are rugged, complex, and challenging. There may even be stormy seas, turbulent and unpredictable. But remember, as a cloud, you don't judge these landscapes. Pause. You don't prefer the plains over the mountains, or the calm seas over the stormy ones. They're all just different landscapes, each with its unique beauty and character. Take a moment. Just as the cloud doesn't judge the landscapes, we shouldn't judge our thoughts. Each thought has its shape and form, its own weight and texture. They come and go, like the landscapes passing beneath a cloud. Pause. Let's try it. Take a deep breath in and, as you exhale, imagine yourself floating higher into the sky. Pause. You're above it all, observing the world below. See the thoughts as they come and don't try to control them. Don't push them away. Simply observe them, as a cloud observes the landscapes. Perhaps you're seeing thoughts your day, or your work, or your loved ones. Or maybe you're seeing thoughts about the past, or the future. Whatever they are, just let them be. Do not attach yourself to them. Do not get involved. Just observe them as a cloud observes the landscapes. It's okay if your mind wanders. It's natural. When you notice it, gently bring your focus back to your breath, and imagine yourself as a cloud again. You're floating high above, observing the thoughts as they come and go. Remember, a cloud, you're not bound by what you observe. You're not defined by the landscapes below. Similarly, you're not your thoughts. You're not defined by them. You are the observer, the consciousness behind the thoughts. As we continue to observe our thoughts, we might notice that they start to slow down. Like the world below a cloud, slowly, almost in slow motion. Pause. This is the power of observation. By simply observing our thoughts without judgment or attachment, we can slow them down. We can create a space of calm and tranquility in our minds. As we near the end of this part of our meditation, let's take a moment to appreciate this space of calm tranquility we've created. It's like a clear blue sky with only a few clouds floating by. It's serene, it's beautiful. As you slowly descend from the sky, remember this feeling. Remember the freedom and serenity of being a cloud, the power of observation, the ability to watch your thoughts without judgment or attachment. And as you return to your body, as you become aware of your breath again, remember that you can always return to this state of calm and tranquility, can always become a cloud again, observing your thoughts as they come and go. Observe each thought as it comes and goes like the landscapes passing beneath a cloud. Pause. Now, feel yourself condensing into droplets, ready to return to the earth as nourishing rain. Pause. As we journey through this meditation, visualize yourself as these droplets. Take a breath. Each droplet, individual yet unified, falling gently from the heavens above, drawn by the force of gravity. Pause again. This force, much like the call of reality, brings us back from the tranquility of our meditation, back to our physical presence, our surroundings. Take a moment. Picture the droplets cascading down, caressing the leaves of the eucalyptus trees, seeping into the rich red earth of the outback, and quenching the thirst of the parched land. A slight pause. Feel the coolness of the rain, the life-giving force of water. Pause. You are this rain, refreshing, renewing, reviving everything you touch. This journey from the sky to earth isn't just a descent, but a celebration of life, of renewal. Breathe in. As you imagine this, feel the same sense of renewal within you. Pause. You have journeyed through the vast expanse of your mind, and now you are ready to return, and invigorated. Let's take a moment. Feel yourself as the droplets touching the ground, seeping into the earth, becoming a part of the great cycle of life. A moment of silence. You are not just returning to reality, but you are also carrying with you the tranquility of the cloud, the dynamism of the rain, and the vitality of life itself. Pause. As we gradually conclude our meditation, let's take 3 deep breaths together. Inhale. Feel the coolness of the air filling your lungs, much like the rain replenishing the earth. Hold it for a moment. Savor this sensation and then gently exhale, releasing all the tensions and worries. Inhale again, deeper this time. Feel the energy coursing through your body, revitalizing every cell, every fiber of your being. Hold this breath, this life force within you, and then gently let it go, releasing any remaining stress or tension. For the final breath, inhale deeply, drawing in the peace and tranquility you've cultivated during this meditation. Hold it for a moment. Let this peace permeate every part of you. And as you exhale, imagine this peace flowing out of you, filling the space around you, touching everyone and everything in your life. Pause. Now, Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Feel the textures and temperatures against your skin. Pause again. Slowly open your eyes. Take in the colors, the shapes, the light, and shadows. Pause. Listen to the sounds around you, the distant hum of life, the near silence of your own heartbeat. Pause. Taste the air, smell the familiar scents. You are here, you are now. Remember, just like the journey of the rain, every moment of life is a part of a larger cycle. Pause. There are times of tranquility, like the cloud, times of dynamism, like the rain, and times of renewal, like the rain nourishing the earth. Pause. As you move through your day, this journey, when you face challenges, remember the cloud, the rain, and the earth. Pause. Remember the peace, the vitality, and the renewal. Breathe deeply. Carry these with you. Let them guide you. Let them be your strength. As you return, carry with you the peace of the cloud and the vitality of the rain. Take a moment. Remember, you are a part of this wonderful cycle of life, a cycle of peace, vitality, and renewal. Just like the rain, you have the power to refresh, renew, and revive your world. Pause. Reflect. Breathe. Just as rain nourishes the earth, meditation nourishes our minds. Like the Australian outback thirsts for the rejuvenating touch of a downpour, our minds crave the refreshing embrace of meditation. It's a journey, a process, akin to the cycle of water that begins as a mere droplet in the vast ocean, rises as vapor, forms clouds, and returns to the earth as life-giving rain. In this voyage of self-discovery, meditation acts as a beacon, illuminating the path towards greater mental well-being. It's a tranquil lake, where the mind finds respite, away from the tumultuous tides of daily stress. The stillness of the water reflects our inner peace, the calmness we achieve as we let go of our worries, our fears, our doubts. Through meditation, we learn to navigate the river of our thoughts, not fighting against the current, but flowing with it. We become more focused, more aware, akin to the crystal-clear waters of a serene Australian creek meandering through verdant landscapes. This improved focus and heightened awareness ripple outwards, enhancing our productivity, creativity, and overall quality of life. Meditation is like the gentle waves lapping against the shore, gradually eroding the rocks of anxiety and stress, leaving behind a smooth, serene coast. It's a natural stress reliever, a haven where we can retreat to find inner peace and tranquility amidst life's storms. Even as water evaporates, it never truly disappears, but transforms into a different state. Similarly, the benefits of meditation are not fleeting but transformative, promoting a deep-seated mental well-being that permeates every aspect of our lives. It's a journey of transformation, from a state of unrest to a state of serenity, from a turbulent storm to a calm breeze, from a rushing river to a tranquil lake. So let's embark on this journey together, immersing ourselves in the soothing rhythm of our breath, the steady beat of our heart, the infinite expanse of our mind. Let's let go, let's flow, let's meditate. Embrace meditation, for it is the rain that nourishes the garden of your mind. As we conclude our journey, remember the transformative power of water and of meditation. Just as water shifts from one state to another, from a roaring ocean to a gentle raindrop, from a raging river to a serene lake, so too can our minds through meditation. Each day we encounter numerous tides of thoughts and emotions. Meditation is our vessel, guiding us through these tides, keeping us balanced and centered amidst the storms of life. It is our private sanctuary, where we can retreat, rejuvenate, and transform. Let us take a moment to appreciate the beauty of this transformation, the tranquility it brings, and the clarity it imparts. Like the water cycle, meditation is an ongoing journey, a process of continuous growth and understanding. So, as you go about your day, remember to take a moment to meditate, to allow your mind to flow freely, to embrace its various states, just like water. Like water, let your mind be fluid, ever-changing, and beautiful in each of its states.